What's up everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to make hot chocolate with Nesquik. First get your Nesquik and spoon some out. Put it in your mug or cup, whatever one you can use. Added a bit more to make it very chocolatey. Fill up your cup with boiling water. It's what I do, so yeah. And give it a nice stir. This is optional what colour milk you use for your hot chocolate. I'm choosing blue. Anyways, pour your milk inside. Put your hot chocolate in the microwave for 40 seconds. And let's start. Nearly done. I would usually do this. I would add a bit more Nesquik mix to the hot chocolate to make it more like chocolatey, so I can taste the chocolate in my hot chocolate. This is optional. It's what I usually do. And give it a mix. That's how to make your hot chocolate with Nesquik.